Welcome students, welcome to Confidence Academy. In this video I am going to solve interest on drawings. In last video we have seen that profit and loss appropriation account at the time of absence of partnership deed, and another problem with the net loss, and another problem with the profit. In section C it may be asked for 6 marks on profit and loss appropriation account or interest on drawings account. In 2 problems it may be asked 1 problem for 6 marks. Therefore, in this video I am going to explain interest on drawings. Let us see what do you mean by interest on drawings. Just see here, interest on drawings, interest is charged on the money taken, means money taken by the partner for the personal use, right? Which amount any partner taken for personal use, that is called as drawings. On that amount we have to calculate interest, means it totally called as interest on drawings. Let us see, there are 4 situations where a partner can take amount for personal use: A, B, C and D. Just I made screen little bit small and I type more in this problem because I want to show you difference between different problems. Then if you saw what is the different according to first problem, then only you can understand. Therefore, I made 3 problems in only one slide, only in one page. Therefore, okay, these 4 situations I have typed in another slide. We will see in that slide. Just go to the first slide. See here, there are 4 situations where a partner can withdraw amount. Just see, first situations of drawings, when fixed amount is withdrawn every month. First situation is that when fixed amount is withdrawn by the partner every month. Fixed amount means if any partner withdraw 1000 for first month, it means all months he withdraw 1000 only. If he has taken 2000 for each month, means in all months he has taken 2000 for 12 months. Therefore, a fixed amount means same value, right? That is called a fixed amount. The formula is also available: total drawings rate 1/12 and applied formula. Just a fixed amount is withdrawn every month. Every month means in every month there are 3 situations, 3 dates. One is that beginning of every month, middle of every month and end of every month. For these 3 times, if in any problem it is given as A has withdrawn 2000 at beginning of every month, then in the place of applied formula we have to use 13/2. If in the problem it is given as Mr. B has withdrawn amount 3000 middle of every month, then we have to use 12/2, where in the place of applied formula. Remaining formula should be same, total drawings into rate into 1/12. But lastly it depends on when partners withdraw the amount, beginning, middle or end. This chart is related to first situation, when fixed amount is withdrawn every month, right? Next we will discuss about second situation, when fixed amount is withdrawn quarterly. In first situation every month, second situation every quarter. Quarter means for 3 months we called as a quarter. Means if any problem withdrawn amount on April, after May, June, April, May, June, after 3 months he withdrawn again, means July. If he withdraw amount in July after 3 months, July, August, September, in October he withdraw again, means each 3 months, after the 3 months he withdraw the amount, right? Every month means if he withdraw in April and he withdraws in May, April, May, June, July and like that every month. But quarterly means if he withdrawn in April, May, June. May and June he won't withdraw. In July again he withdraw or he will take for personal use. Therefore, quarterly means for 3 months, right. Same formula, total, little bit change. Here we take total product, here we take a total drawings, and remaining rate 1 by 12, 1 by 12. But there is no applied formula, because this applied formula only related to when a partner is withdrawn amount every month, and in every month if he withdraw beginning of each month, then we use this formula, middle of each month we use this formula, and end of each month we use this formula. Okay, just keep it in mind. Next, in third situation, what it is saying, it is saying that when varying amounts means different amount. If he withdraw in April 1000, in May he may be withdraw 3000, 4000 like that. So, different amount. In first month he has withdrawn 1000, in second month he may be withdrawn 2000. After 2 months, after 3 months he can withdraw again 6000 like that, or 8000. Okay, means different amounts, varying amounts, right, withdrawn at different intervals. Different interval means here he withdraw amount every month, beginning or middle or end, every month for 12 months. But here he withdraw for first month in April, after he won't withdraw for 2-3 months, after again he withdraw for personal use, and next after 1 month he again withdraws, after 4 months again he withdraws. Means here there is no specific date when he withdraws. Therefore, it is saying that varying amounts, different amount and different intervals. When in the problem is given according to different amount and different dates, then we have to use this type of formula. Formula is saying total product into rate into 1 by 12, right. Is it clear? Okay. Next, when dates of withdrawals are not specified, means partner has withdrawn for personal use, but when he has withdrawn there is no date, means in the problem there is no date when he has withdrawn. Therefore, we use total drawings. Here we take total product, here we take a total drawings, afterwards we take rate, afterwards 6 by 12. Here we have taken 6 by 12, here 1 by 12. When we use product, then 1 by 12. When we use total drawings, then we take a 6 by 12. Keep it in mind, right. Let us see some examples, right. In this slide also same 4 situations are there, but there is little bit small in size, therefore I made another slide, I showed in that slide. Okay, just see here the calculation of interest on drawings under different situation is shown under when fixed amount is withdrawn every month. Every month means there are also again 3 situations, beginning of each month, end of each month and middle of each month, right. Next, when a fixed amount is withdrawn quarterly, in quarter 2 situations, beginning of each quarter and end of each quarter, right. Next, just see when varying amounts are withdrawn at different intervals, as I said before, when dates of withdrawals are not specified. Just see this formula also given here. Today in this video I am going to solve 3 problems according to this situation, situation 1. Okay, let us see the problem first. Here problem number 20, as per the book, Himanshu withdrew rupees 2500. Himanshu is withdrawing 2500, end of each month, consider this one, end of each month means last date of each month, right, that you should consider. The partnership deed provides for charging interest on drawings 12%. Interest on drawings how much? 12%. Calculate interest on Himanshu's drawing for the year ending. Just say me which formula you should apply for this problem. Just see here, beginning of month, middle of month and end of month. Just clearly he has mentioned that Himanshu withdraw rupees 2500 at the end of each month. Each month means he is withdrawing amount every month, right? He won't withdraw quarterly, there are no different amounts available. So, date also mentioned, means end of each month, he has said end of each month. Therefore, as you know that end of each month means this formula should apply. Formula what it is saying, total drawings into rate into 1 by 12 and applied formula means end of each month, end of the month or middle of the month or beginning of the month. We know that the formula we should take that 11 by 2. Okay. We will see first formula. Solution, total drawings. What do you mean by total drawings? He is withdrawing 2500 for per month, every month. Now, we have to take a whole year amount. He has withdrawn for 12 months. What will be the total amount? First, let me to calculate. Just we have to calculate that amount. Just see, total drawings into rate into 1 by 12 into applied formula, right? Applied formula means one of the formula from these three formulas. Okay. Just total drawings, we do not know total drawings, we know only he has withdrawing 2500 per month, means we have to calculate 2500 into 12 months. What will be the answer? 30,000. He has withdrawn 30,000 for whole year, right? Next, now we have to calculate interest on drawings on 30,000. Now take total drawings, we know that we have found that. Okay. Next, take rate of interest also given in the problem. Interest on drawings 12%. Interest on drawings how much? 12%. Therefore, take that into 30,000 into 12 divided by 100. Next formula is saying 1 by 12, take like that 1 by 12 and applied formula. Applied formula means which should we apply? 11 by 2, because in the problem it is given end of the each month. Just take end of the each month means 11 by 2, right? 1650. The answer, Himanshu should give 1650 as interest on drawings to the business. Just consider these two entries, it is 1 by 12 and this one 11 by 12, right? 1 by 12, 11 by 12, sorry 11 by 2, right? By mistake you may take that 1 by 12, 11 by 12. Therefore, you have to take 1 by 12 and 11 by 2 only, right? In second problem, Bharam is a partner in a firm, he withdraw rupees 3000. Here he is withdrawing 3000. When he is withdrawing, just see, starting of each month, he is withdrawing starting of each month. Starting of each month means beginning of each month, right? Then we have to follow this problem. First, let us discuss each month. Each month means every month. So, first situation is appropriate and suitable for this problem, right? Next, in each month there are three situations. Which situation we should follow? 13 by 2. Why 13 by 2? Because in the problem it is clearly mentioned that starting of each month. When starting means beginning of each month. Therefore, we take this formula. Make solution. Solution, total drawings. We do not know total drawings. We have to calculate total drawings into rate into 1 by 12 into applied formula. Same. Next, take total drawings is equal to, means he has withdrawn 3000 each month, means 3000 into 12 months. What will be the total drawings? 36,000, right? For 36,000 we have to calculate interest on drawings as per the formula. Now, first take total drawings as 36,000 and next in 36,000 take rate of interest. Rate of interest is given in the problem as 10% per annum. Take 10 by 100 into 1 by 12, same as it is in the given in the formula and take lastly applied formula. Applied formula means from these 3 formulas we have to take one. Which one? 13/2. Why we have taken 13/2? Because in the problem it is given as starting of each month. Therefore, we have taken 13/2. The answer will be 1950. Is it clear? Okay. Next, in problem 25, Menon and Thomas are partners in a firm. They share profits equally. Their monthly drawings are rupees 2000. Their monthly drawings is rupees 2000 monthly. Monthly means this problem also related to first situation when fixed amount is withdrawn every month. Therefore, next 2000 each month. Interest on drawings is to be charged 10%. Interest on drawings also given 10%. Calculate interest on Menon's drawings. We have to calculate Menon's drawings interest for the year 2006. Assuming that money is withdrawn beginning of every month, end of every month, middle of every month. He has given 3 cases. If he withdraw beginning of every month, what will be the interest on drawings? If he withdraw end of every month, what will be the interest on drawings? If he withdraw middle of every month, what will be the interest? Just here on 2 cases, on 2 formulas I have solved. One is that beginning of every month and another is that end of every month. Now, I take this C middle of every month and I solve on that problem. After solution, you may try for beginning of every month and end of every month by using these 2 formula, right? These 2 formula. Let us solution make solution on third case. If he withdraw middle of every month, right? What will be the formula? Total drawings into rate into 1/12 into applied formula. Now, see here total drawings, we need total drawings. Now, calculate total drawings. Total drawings into is equal to 2000 into 12 means Menon has withdrawn 2000 for each month. Each month means for 12 months the total drawings will be 24,000. Now, calculate interest on 24,000. As total drawings 24,000, next take rate of interest. What will be the rate of interest? 10% as mentioned in the problem, 10 divided by 100. Next, take into 1/12 according to formula into applied formula means 12/2. Here we have taken 12/2, here we have taken 13/2, here we have taken 11/2. Why? Because in first problem it is given as a end of the each month. In second problem it is given as a beginning of each month, and in third problem it is given as a middle of each month. We have solved according to this problem, middle of every month. You have to solve according to beginning of every month and end of every month by trying different formula. Only it changes at the end where I have used as 12/2, there you have to use 13/2 and 11/2. Is it clear? I think you understand this problem. If you won't understand, if you have any doubts, you may send me SMS through WhatsApp, or if you want to give any suggestion according to my video, please mention in comment section. If you like my video, then share to your friends. First, you have to subscribe my channel. Thank you.